In this video, you'll learn how to change your Notion account password. This process is straightforward and will ensure your account remains secure. Follow along to successfully update your password. Begin by navigating to the Notion website, open your preferred web browser, and enter the address, notion.so, in the URL bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage where you can access your account. Next, locate your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu provides access to various account settings, including the option to manage your profile and security settings. After that, select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will direct you to the Settings page, where you can adjust various preferences related to your Notion account. Look for the Account section on the left sidebar. Once this appears, click on Account. Here you will find options related to your account details, including security settings. Continue by locating the profile option within this section and click on it to proceed. Now find and click on Account Security. This section contains options for managing your password and security settings. It is important to ensure your password is strong and secure to protect your account. Next, click on Password to access the password management options. You will now see options to change your current password. Click on Change Password to initiate the password update process. Once you click Change Password, you will be prompted to enter your current password. This step is crucial for verifying your identity before you can create a new password. Type in your current password in the designated field. Ensure you enter it correctly, as this will help avoid any errors during the password change process. Following this, click on Enter a New Password. This is where you will create a new password for your account. Make sure to follow the guidelines for password strength, ensuring it is at least 15 characters long or at least 8 characters long with both letters and numbers. Now, type in your new password in the provided field. Remember to create a password that is secure but also memorable for you. Consider using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. Next, click on Confirm Your New Password. This action will prompt you to re-enter the new password for confirmation. This step helps ensure that you have not made any typing errors. Re-enter your new password in the confirmation field. It is essential to match this with the password you just created to complete the change. Once you have confirmed your new password, click on Change Password to finalize the update. You may see a loading indicator while the system processes your request. After the password change is successful, a message will appear stating your password has been saved. This confirmation indicates that your new password is now active. Next, you will see a prompt stating, we'll ask for this password when you log into your account. This serves as a reminder that your new password will be required for future logins. Finally, click on any blank space within the settings page to exit the confirmation message. This action will redirect you back to the main settings page where you can continue using your Notion account with enhanced security. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.